Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2010 Ducati Streetfighter 1098S. This bike's got just a little over 15,500 miles on it and is in excellent shape. Found a couple of little imperfections on it, but they're barely visible. So let's take a walk around this beautiful bike, look at the gear, and then we'll fire it up. This bike's got a ton of carbon fiber highlights on it, as you can see. It's got carbon fiber front fenders. The tires are still in excellent shape. It's got Rizoma reservoirs, levers, grips, bar ends with blinkers and mirrors, tank pad. Just a ton of carbon fiber highlights, engine cover, exhaust cover. Comes with a solo seat cowl, twin Termignani exhaust. This also has a fender eliminator and an integrated tail. Back tire's in excellent shape, got a lot of miles left on that as well. More carbon fiber. And I found one little scratch on the engine cover here, so it looks like something must have flipped up, hit it while it was riding down the road. But like I said, and then here I found, got a couple of streaks here on the back from where it looks like the rider's boot made contact. $15,509 is what's on this bike. This Ducati will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.